Hello my friends, welcome to my channel English with Terry. My name is Terry. This video is a continuation of a video I did before about just and only. When I was preparing the video, I wanted to do a video exclusive about the word just to really show you all the ways we can use it. But if you're curious and you want to see the other video, just and only, you can see it right here. And you can see this video if it's not so clear, but this is a video all about just. English with Terry. So we have here 5 different ways we can use just. Recently, as in time, when we want to mean exactly, absolutely, as a softener to make your sentence more polite, more soft, when it's the same as only, okay? Now, this is a really important point about the pronunciation, about the T in just. When we speak quickly, it will become silent. The just will be just. Try with me, just. For example, we have recently, like I have just done it, or I just did it. It's about the very recent past. Now, the pronunciation here is I've just done it. Okay, so you have just done it slowly. Now try to say I've just done it, or I just did it. I just did it. Make the T silent. I just did it. So when we want to use the present perfect in this idea, I have just done it, sent the email or whatever, and then he and she has just done it or found it or talked to him. The important point is this will always become the contraction. I've, you've, we've, they've just done it, sent it, talked to him, and he's, she's just, okay? Now, we can use with the present perfect, with the have just, but I want to be clear that we can also use it with the past simple. I just did it, sent it, told him, right? Now, I am Irish and I was educated in Ireland, so generally we follow the British English, the basic rules. But we see it's more and more popular, especially in American English, to use the past simple. So what do I mean? One is I have just done it, I've just done it, which is more British English. I just did it, which is USA or like American English. Now, it's exactly the same thing. It's just in my observation, I can see that in North American English, people are using more and more and more, I just did it. Not always using I have just done it. And we do see this sometimes in Britain and England and other countries as well. So you have a little bit of freedom to choose. You can use I've just done it and you will hear it, or you can just say I just did it. It's your choice. In the negative, it has a different meaning. If you say you just haven't done it, or you just didn't do it, it's the idea of like you're lazy. You just didn't do it. Yeah, there. Because if you use it in the positive, the affirmative, she has just done it, it would be very recent. But to say in the negative, it's really you just haven't done it. It's a criticism of somebody else. You just haven't done it because you did not want to do it. Just can also mean exactly. We have, for example, that's just what I mean. That's exactly what I mean. We use this a lot for exactly. Just, in a very similar way, can also mean absolutely. The food is just perfect. The food is absolutely perfect. Very similar meaning, right? The other way is to make a sentence soft. One way is I need to tell you something. That's like strong. I need to tell you something. I just need to tell you something. It's the idea of to make it a little bit soft, a little bit more polite, right? Or if you say, I'm going to be 5 minutes, okay. But if you say, I'm just going to be 5 minutes, it's to make it soft and make it light. I'm just going to be 5 minutes. I'm just going to da-da-da-da, right? And always make the T silent. I'm just going to be 5 minutes. All right, my friends, I hope this was helpful. I hope it was clear about the word just. Please help me grow on YouTube. Please click like and subscribe for all the new videos. If you would like a free listening strategies video course, check the link in the description where you can get a free video course talks about all the listening strategies that I use to be fluent in 4 languages and how you can do it too. Check it out, get your free course. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.